What's the meaning of coiffure? Coiffure. Coiffure.
Coiffure. Coiffure. Coiffure refers to a person's hairstyle or the art of arranging hair in an elegant and fashionable way. It involves various techniques and tools such as combing, cutting, curling, and styling products like gels and hairsprays. The result of a well-done coiffure is a stunning and eye-catching appearance that can enhance one's overall look and personality. A good coiffure can also boost one's confidence and make them feel more attractive and stylish. Overall, coiffure is an important aspect of personal grooming and fashion.